In this video, I show you how to fix YouTube video black screen and only audio playing problem. For fixing this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for YouTube app, click on YouTube. Now click on force stop, then OK. Then click on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now go back to home screen, then open Play Store. Now search for YouTube app. Up to date your YouTube app if available any update version here. Then open YouTube. Now play any video. Now I hope that this method fixes YouTube video black screen and only audio playing problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.